In this video, we are going to learn how to pronounce the names of countries in English. We are also going to learn about the nationalities of those countries. You will learn how to say and answer some important questions that are used in casual talk. Countries and nationalities. A person from Canada is Canadian. A person from China is Chinese. A person from France is French. A person from Russia is Russian. A person from Portugal is Portuguese. A person from Greece is Greek. A person from Lebanon is Lebanese. A person from Brazil is Brazilian. A person from Japan is Japanese. A person from Thailand is Thai. A person from Laos is Laotian. A person from Saudi Arabia is Saudi. A person from the United Kingdom is British. A person from the United States is American. Where are you from? I'm from Istanbul. She's from Kiev. They're from Bangor. Where are you from? We express this question when we are asking about your place of birth, your country, your nationality. Where do you live? We express this question when we are asking about your city, the town you live in presently. This can be a specific question asking where is your house or your apartment. Who are they? Where are they from? What is their nationality? What do they do? Can you answer those questions using this information? Who are they? Where are they from? What is their nationality? What do they do? Who is he? He is James Otieno. Where is he from? He's from Kenya. What is his nationality? He is Kenyan. What does he do? He is a student. Please take a loose leaf paper and write 4 questions. Who is she? Where is she from? What is her nationality? What does she do? Pause the video and answer those 4 questions. Who are they? Where are they from? What is their nationality? What do they do? Pause the video and answer those 4 questions. This concludes part 3 of this course. I highly recommend you to watch the video a second time. Next, download the PDF activities to complement your learning if you haven't done it already, and work on completing those exercises. You can repeat this process as many times as you feel is necessary. Thank you.